Hi, doing a review on the Bosch washer dryer series 6, 8 kilo wash, 5 kilo dry. Arrived yesterday, just show you a few of the features and how things are. So in your compartment drawer there's 3 drawers, and basically one's for the detergent and pre-wash, one's for the softener, one's for the detergent for the main wash, and the small one's for dosing liquid department. The door, nice big drum, easy to fill, nice and easy. Easy to close the door, good firm lock. I'll just show you some of the features on it. Basically the dial on it is easy to use and it's a touch button screen. So if you look at the dial, you've got in the off position at the moment. So you can actually change it. So if you go to cottons, so for instance it will come up on your display and your machine's turned on, and it will tell you that it's got a 6 degrees temperature and the wash time is 2 hours and 54 minutes. On all the features on the settings, you can actually change them. So if you go on the temperature button, you can go on the temperature, so you can change it to from 60 to 40 to 30, down to a very lukewarm wash, or all the way up to 90. The next button is the revs per minute. It's basically it's for the spin cycle. So the spin cycle is 1500, but you can actually change it for a delicate one. So you can go down to 10, down to 8, all the way down. Then you've got a finished button. So if you want to go to work and you don't want your washing to start till you're just about to come into work, you've got a delay button. So you can go from 4 hours all the way up to 24 hours on the delay button. I'll just turn it off and come back on. I'm going to show you the next feature. So say again then on the cottons, so where it says you've got the 2 hours and 54, the next button is a speed button. So if you press the speed button, it will actually decrease the time to 1 hour and 6 minutes. The next button as well, if you press it, is an eco wash, mainly for the allergy clothes. Just gives you a lower temperature, more ecological wash, but as you can see from the timer, it's 6 hours and 58 minutes. As you go around, you've got the pre-wash feature. You can change all the settings again. The one I've used quite a lot is the mix load button, because you can put more, just a different mixture of clothes in there. And the same again, if you press the speed button, you can reduce it down to 45. Also, you've got an allergy one, a hygiene care setting, another down button for another close setting. But if you go all the way round, you've got silks, wool setting, and if you want a quick wash, you've got a quick wash and dry, which is 60 minutes, but also you've got a super quick wash. Well, if you press the dry button, it will reduce the wash cycle to 15 minutes, so you can get a really quick wash, just it won't dry so well. Then back on the other features, so if we go up the top, so you've got the intense dry, so this will be a long dry cycling one, and the dry will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. You can actually adjust it again, so you can do an auto setting, so you can actually adjust it down to 15-minute dry cycle and just see how your clothes are. Or if you go on the gentle dry setting, it will come up again 2 hours and 30. As you look through the cycles again, like the cotton cycle, that will tell you that the cotton cycle, you can do an 8.5 kilo, an 8 kilo wash, but only a 5 kilo dry. But as you go around the settings and you put your settings on, that will actually tell you what features you can do. I'll just show you a quick wash. So if you go on to, we'll turn it off. I'll just put some detergent in my bowl. We'll open the drum. I've got some clothes in there already. We'll put the load in, close the door. Then, just for this feature, I'll go on the quick wash. So we go on the quick wash feature, which will come up as 1 hour. As for demonstration purpose, I'll put the speed button, take off the drive setting, and the speed button's 15. Then you just press the start button, you'll hear it lock, so that's all locked in, and then you'll hear it filling up with water, and you can actually see by the feature down the nice clear display, so you can actually see all the washing and that's the features on the Bosch washer dryer. I'd highly recommend it to anyone. Really easy to use, really quiet. You don't actually notice there's any noise when it's drying or spinning, and at the end of the feature there is a beep and it tells you finish. You can adjust the volume on it, and that's the review on the Bosch washer dryer. Highly recommended, and I hope if you buy one you'll enjoy it. Thank you very much.